welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the all-new Realme C75, a smartphone that promises durability, strong performance, and a powerful battery. In this detailed video, we'll explore its key features and specifications, including its design, display, cameras, battery, and more. Let's dive into it. The Realme C75 stands out with its IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance, making it an ideal companion for rugged environments. The phone has a premium feel, weighing 196 grams and measuring 7.99 millimeters, which ensures a slim and ergonomic grip, protected by armor shell glass, making it resistant to scratches and minor impacts. The side of the phone houses a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Realme C75 is available in two stunning colors, gold and black, appealing to both minimalists and those who love a touch of elegance. Realme C75 features a 6.72-inch IPS LCD display that delivers vibrant visuals with 580 nits of typical brightness, an impressive 690 nits peak brightness, HBM, outdoor readability. The display supports a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. The always-on display feature is a bonus, allowing you to check notifications, time, and more without unlocking the phone. Under the hood, the Realme C75 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G92 Max chipset, delivering reliable performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday tasks. The device runs on Android 14 with the latest Realme UI 5.0, offering an intuitive and feature-rich user interface. It comes in two storage configurations, 128GB storage with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage with 8GB RAM. Additionally, you get a dedicated micro SDXC card slot, letting you expand storage without sacrificing a SIM slot. The Realme C75 boasts a dual camera setup on the back, 50-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture, secondary camera, which is unspecified but likely assists with depth or macro photography. The main camera supports 1080p video recording at 30 fps, offering smooth and clear videos. On the front, the phone features an 8-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture. Front camera also supports 1080p video recording. Battery life is a strong point of the Realme C75, thanks to its 6,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts through heavy usage. The phone supports 45-watt wired charging. Additionally, the reverse wired charging feature is a convenient option for charging other devices on the go. The phone features dual speakers for a stereo audio experience, enhancing entertainment. However, it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll need to rely on wireless or Type-C headphones. USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed smartphone, the Realme C75 is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.